Good morning and welcome dear students in online English video class. Today we are pronoun part 4 in which we are going to do exercise D to H. In the last class we had completed exercise A, B and C, and today we are going to proceed the next exercises based on this chapter from your book. So you can see that here I have pasted the book page as exercise D is given. And it is written that use suitable reflexive emphatic pronouns to complete the sentences given below, then write the names of pronoun used it. Okay, so as in your book emphatic pronoun is not given, so but I want to explain first emphatic pronoun, then only we will going to solve it, the exercise number D. So children, you can see that reflexive pronoun are formed by adding the suffix self, singular, or selves plural to simple pronouns such as my, your, her, him, it, them and our. As it is says, my plus self becomes myself, then yourself, ourselves, themselves and itself. Okay. When the subject and the object refer to the same person, a reflexive pronoun is used for the object. Example, I cut myself with a knife. Here the subject and the object refers to the same person I, and it becomes a reflexive pronoun. You cut yourself. Okay, you and yourself both are referring to the same subject. She cut herself. Okay, she and herself both are referring to the same person, that is she. The child cut itself and we cut ourselves. In all the examples, we can see how the same subject and the object are referring to the same person, that is given in a part of subject. Okay, see further. When reflexive pronouns are used to put emphasis on a particular noun, they are called emphatic pronoun. Okay. What is emphatic pronoun? When any reflexive pronoun are used to put emphasis on particular noun. It is not referring back to the same person. Here it says to put emphasis on the particular noun, then only it is called emphatic pronoun. Example, say you will be getting, he himself told me this. He himself, see here the emphasis is given on particular noun of he himself told me this. I finished the job myself. Okay, I myself finished the job. So emphasis are given on particular noun, no? They themselves witnessed their mistake. They themselves witnessed their mistake. Okay. So here the emphasis is given on the particular noun, that is they. Okay. And then after we witness the accident. Notes: the emphatic pronoun cannot be used as subject. It is therefore wrong to say. Okay, it cannot be used as a subject, and if you are going to use it as a subject, it becomes a wrong way, like this. See, John and myself went there. So myself is used as a subject, that is completely written wrong. Then second sentence says herself swam in the river. Okay, herself swam in the river, not giving any sense. So correct way of using this sentence will be like this: John and I went there and she swam in the river. So we cannot use emphatic pronoun as a subject, as I described it. So that was emphatic pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Now we are going to understand what is the difference between these two, how we can recognize it. See, it is given, a pronoun is a reflexive one if the action of the sentence referring upon the doer. Okay, that becomes reflexive pronoun. Okay, emphatic pronoun on the other hand are used to just emphasize on the action of the subject. Okay, it is not going to referring back on the doer. No, here it is what, here it is doing only emphasis of the subject. No, see example, he cut himself. Here reflexive, here the subject and the object referring to the same person, no? So here it is a reflexive pronoun. He cut himself, he, and then after himself is used for the particular subject that is referring back to he. Okay, then the second says he himself cut the cake. He himself cut the cake. He himself. Now here the emphasis on he. Emphatic, here emphatic pronoun himself merely put emphasis on the noun he. Clear? Okay. Then third says I spoke to the principal himself. No, here also emphatic I. Okay, here will not be emphatic. Here will not himself, here will be myself. No, because let me write myself. Okay, so I spoke to the principal myself. So here emphatic pronoun is given because the myself is just referring or emphatic or not referring, it is giving emphasis on the subject he. Then again it says you must blame yourself for the loss. Okay, you must blame yourself for the loss. You and yourself, no? So that yourself is just referring back to the subject you. So in that way it is a reflexive pronoun. So it is very easy to differentiate that it is reflexive pronoun are used to show or referring back to the subject. Okay, means when we have to show the action that is referring back to the subject, and in emphatic pronoun only we just have to give emphasis on the particular noun that is given in a place of subject. Okay, note that an emphatic pronoun can be removed from the sentence and the core meaning wouldn't be affected. And a reflexive pronoun on the other hand is indispensable. The sentence wouldn't make complete sense if you remove the reflexive pronoun. One more thing is given. You cannot remove reflexive pronoun in a sentence. If you are going to remove it, it will not be a proper sense. And in emphatic pronoun you can remove the sentence, remove the word of emphatic pronoun, and it will not going to affect anything in the sentence. Example says he himself cut the cake, then he cut the cake. If you are going to observe these two sentences, he himself cut the cake and he cut the cake, both sentences are same. Here the word himself is missing, we remove the word himself, but also it is giving the same sense. He only cut the cake, he himself cut the cake, and then after he only cut the cake, both are same, giving same meaning. See the next point says he cut himself. Okay, if here we are going to remove the word himself, then the question will put he cut what. Okay, so he cut what, so we cannot remove himself here because here himself is a reflexive pronoun, and if we are going to remove any reflexive pronoun, our meaning will be affected. So that I explained, it is written what here. Now let us go to the exercise. Okay, use suitable reflexive emphatic pronoun to complete the sentences given below, then write the name of the pronoun used it. Okay, let me make it like this. Okay children, here it is written that the first says, have you looked at dash in the mirror, you look so pale. Okay, so have you looked, here you word is given, so definitely you have to write yourself, and that is referring back to you, that is why it becomes a reflexive pronoun. So I have also written answer here, so you can match the answer in your exercise book. Have you looked at yourself in the mirror, you look so pale. Okay, second says she does all her household chores. Okay, answer says she, so definitely here will be herself. She does all her household chores herself. Okay, and then after it is a reflexive pronoun again. Third says they can pick up the parcel dash from the post office. Okay, it is given they, so definitely we will be using themselves. No, so what will be answer? They can pick up the parcel themselves from the post office. Now fourth is given. You can only blame yourself for the delay in submitting the work. Okay. 5 says we have given ourselves a year to see if the business can succeed. Given we, so becomes reflexive pronoun of we will be ourselves, no? And then after 6. Okay, so 6 will be herself. That is a emphatic pronoun. See, she herself keeps a tab on all the mail that goes out for her office. So here herself is used as a emphatic pronoun. Now 7. 7 again used as an emphatic pronoun as it is written here. This incident itself, okay, this incident itself shows how lax their security is. Okay, then 8 says 8 will be reflexive pronoun. See how she kept up her morale by telling herself that she only had a few more meters to climb. Is used as a reflexive pronoun. Now we'll be talking on ninth. That becomes herself and also a reflexive pronoun. See how she accidentally cut herself, no, with the knife while chopping the vegetables. Okay, next says 10. The last is reflexive pronoun used as yourself. If you promise yourself you will always do your best at evening, you will ultimately do so. So here we have completed first exercise. Now we are going to move the next exercise, that is exercise number E. Here I have pasted the book page, you can see and then try to understand more. So exercise C says that choose the correct option from the given words to complete each of the following sentences. Here some words are given in the bracket. With the help of these bracket words you have to write your answer and complete your exercise. See, the first is the creature dash you saw in your dream does not exist in reality. Okay, so the word who, whom, whose, which and that. See, the answer it says whom. So the creature whom you saw in your dream does not exist in reality. Okay, then the second says the farmer whom we met on our way are gathering for protest. Okay, so the farmer whom we met, answer will be whom. Third says one of the answers. Okay, one of the answers which, answer will be which she gave during the quiz was not correct. So here the answer says which. Now let's go on fourth. Fourth says our tour leader who asked us to come early in himself late. Okay, is himself late. Now five says whose, my cousin whose photograph I showed you is coming to visit us next week. Okay, now come to 6. Answer 6 will be whom as it is written. Just the lady whom we are going to meet that we are coming days. Just wait. That the lady whom we are going to meet that we are coming today. Let me check once in a book. Okay, in your book also, see it is given. Does the lady, see the sixth one, does the lady we are going to meet know? We are going to meet know that we are coming today. Okay, it is right. I thought there are some problem. Okay, so the 6 is over. Now come to the seventh. Your seventh answer will be which. The book which is prescribed for class 6 is far too difficult for the children, no? Now the answer 8 will be who? So the answer will be everyone through who has been through war times knows that it is devastating for all. Okay, so it is written that everyone who has been everyone who has been through war times know that it is devastating for all. Now I'm going to write question number 9, that is given. Dash cap is yours, so your 9 answer says which. Okay, which cap is yours, the blue one or the green one? Then the last answer says whose. So here will be whose house is closer to Prashant's house. Prashant's, yours or hers. Okay, so in this way we have completed exercise E. Now let us go for the next exercise, that is F. So exercise F, you have to write from this picture. You can see that what you have to do. I am just reading from the book. Exercise F. Okay, so exercise F is saying that fill in the blanks in the sentences using appropriate pronoun and write their names. Okay, what you have to do, you have to fill the pronoun and also you have to mention what is the kind of pronoun that you are going to mention in a sentence. No, see, the first one says, I am writing here for my friend dash are waiting for. As also it is mentioned in the picture, you can see that I am writing here for my friend. Whom are you waiting for? The answer says whom are you waiting for. So like that I will read from the book and then you try to match from there. Okay, the second says, okay, that will be personal pronoun, who or whom, no, both will be correct answer. So and at this comes in the part of personal pronoun, that will be a personal pronoun. Second says the girl dash mother is ill is asking for help. Okay, so here will be relative pronoun, the girl whose mother. Answer says whose mother will be relative pronoun. Then the third question is saying this is my purse, whose is that? Okay, interrogative pronoun, this is my purse, whose is that is a interrogative pronoun. Okay, 4 says the book dash you had lost has been found by Arab. See, the answer 4 is which and that, both can be used in this sentence and that become a relative pronoun. Okay, question number 4. Okay, that become a relative pronoun and it says that the book which or that you had lost has been found by Ira. Now question number 5 says this is the letter from Rita which I told you about yesterday. Okay, question number 5 answer says which is a relative pronoun, that says this is a letter from Rita which I told you about yesterday. And the 6 says is this or it. Okay, is this or it your dog? Please keep it indoors. So answer 6 will be this or it, and it becomes a interrogative pronoun. Then after 7th will be whom, and whom will a personal pronoun. See that what will be written here. The man whom you were talking to is a famous sportsman. Okay, sportsperson. Then 8th, we have to select from these 3 cards. Which one do you like best? Answer will be which. And also answer 8 will be interrogative pronoun. Then the 9 answer will whose, and it is a relative pronoun. Children whose essays are still due should give them by the end of this week. It's a relative pronoun. Then number 10, the handkerchief whose or which, both are right. The police had the police had found belongs to the burglar. Okay, then the next will be the girl whom you met in the market is my cousin. Okay, then the 12 says the book which you took from me is not mine becomes a relative pronoun. So children, as I have mentioned all the points here, you can see, and then with the help of this exercise, with the help of these answers, you fill your exercise in the book. Okay, next, now exercise H. We are going to talk exercise H. No, exercise G. H is the after this. So exercise G says that select the best option from those given in the bracket and complete the sentences. See exercise G. Okay, exercise G is saying that you have to write appropriate pronoun, and then after, no, you have to select the best option from those given in the bracket. Okay, you have to select the options which will be right option. So here I have underlined the right option, and I will read so that you will be very clear. Here it is saying that I got a strange smell as if dash was burning. Okay, so I got a strange smell as if something was burning. Something is given. Second says, why didn't anyone tell him that the class had started? Anyone is the answer. Okay, third says, somebody will have to go and ask for the teacher's permission for a games period. So third answer will be somebody. Then the fourth will be, if you make up your mind, nothing is impossible. Okay, nothing is answer. 5 will be, the test was very difficult, so no one was happy with the scores. Answer will be no one. And then after, 6 answer says, did dash just knock at the door? Okay, so did someone just knock at the door? 7 will be, I hope you haven't told anyone about your secret plan. And the last will be, there is something not right with him today. So children, in this way we have completed exercise D, E, F and G. Exercise H. Exercise H will be homework for you. Here one I will tell you, then after with the help of this one what I am giving you, you have to solve all the exercises based on this. Okay, see the sentence below have pronoun related error. Rewrite sentences by correcting them. Okay, it says that sentences below have pronoun related error. You have to rewrite them using the correct pronoun. See the first says what? Okay, let me make it bigger first, otherwise you will not be getting. Okay, so first says, we haven't seen Anita for many days. We heard that there will be she, but here is given they, because we heard that they are unwell. Hai. So actually we are talking about Anita, so here the answer will not be they. They is not a pronoun that is used to, that suitable pronoun used for the Anita. No, so here you have to cut they, and then you have to write she is unwell. Let me do one, then after you have to do like that. Just cut. That she is unwell. Okay, first exercise done. Now second will be, the children were encouraged to do the project ourselves. Now see the word ourselves given. No, are talking about children, so here the answer will be what? The children were encouraged to do the project. Okay children, now the third question says that me and Ankita went to see a film last Saturday. Me and Ankita, so that me is not suitable here, so answer will be Ankita and I. Let me right. Ankita and I went to see a film last night. Okay, your next answer says, next point, first try to solve the puzzle himself. If you cannot, then I will give you clues. Okay, first try to solve the puzzle himself. Try to solve the puzzle. Okay, so here himself will not be a right answer. Here you have to write first try to solve. Okay, so there will be yourself. First try to solve the puzzle yourself. If you cannot, then I will give you clues. Okay, then the five answer is, you and Hamid could go to the theater early and buy tickets for all of ourselves. Ourself is a pronoun related error, so here we will write, you and Hamid could go to the theater on early and buy tickets for all of us. Okay, all of us will be answer. Okay, children. Now six says, 6 is, father scolded my sister and I for coming back home so late. Okay, so father scolded my sister and me. Here we use me. We have to cut I because it is used as an objective case. Me will be answer. No, my father scolded my sister and me for the coming back so late. Now let us talk on 7. 7th is written, I love my little brother and never get angry with himself. Himself will not be answer. Here we will write only him. Okay, now correct answer is him. I love my brother and never get angry with him. Now let us talk on 8. Says that let us see what it says. There were no porters to help us, so we carried our luggage. Not ours, not itself. It becomes ourself. No, ourselves. Clear? Okay. Now the 9th will be, the pan is very hot. Pick them up very clearly. Okay. Here is the pan and them. See the difference. Pick it, no, because them will be plural, and for pan we cannot use them. So pick it very carefully. So the last point says, I did not understand the joke. Can you please tell him once more? Okay, it's talking about joke, so we cannot use him here. I did not understand the joke. Can you please tell it once more? Tell it. Okay, that him it not be used because it is used for joke. Can you please tell it once more? So children, here we have completed all the exercises that is based on this chapter. In the next class, I wish you in the next class, children, we are just going to complete the last exercises that we had taught in the last classes, the last chapters, chapter number 1 to 5, and then after you will have all the exercises in your book, and by that time I want to wish you and try to write all the things in your fair copy somewhere, and also complete your book, and have a nice day, and